afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to discuss Bitcoin and stablecoin, international legal questions for attorneys. Before we get started, I wanted to highlight why the subject is important. First of all, blockchain is one of the largest financial transformation of this generation. And if you doubt it, I will give you a few numbers. 580 million people globally use crypto. This is essentially equal to the entire population of European Union. If you think about market cap, it's over $3 trillion presently, which essentially equals size of entire UK economy. If that's not enough, think about asset tokenization. It's expected to reach $10 trillion by 2030. This is according to Boston Consulting Group. This is one of the largest growing segments that is competing with ETF industry in scale. Also, it's nearly 20% of global GDP that is expected to go on-chain by 2030. And this is according to World Economic Forum. So you may ask a question, why? Fine, we understand the scale, but why is this important? What is the value added by this type of product? First of all, crypto moves faster. Moreover, that transition on-chain is much cheaper. According to OECD 2024 statistics, tokenized settlements can cut the cost 40 or even 60% of expense that, let's say, financial institution would need to bear if they go in chain. There is also risk. Unfortunately, a $9.3 billion in crypto scam and losses in 2024. I hope that I highlighted why the subject is important and you stay with me. And while we're going through this journey, I wanted for you to keep in mind one important quote. Those who cannot remember the past are bound to repeat it. That quote comes from Life of Reason. And I think it is very important to bear in mind. When you think about crypto, you really need to consider how essentially all those mistakes compounded into learnings, how those big mistakes that were usually very public, spectacular, and super expensive led to evolution of crypto and regulation around that, and what to do not to repeat it.